Hello. I'll be showing you something new on this channel. It's called Scratch, and I'll probably be making tutorials on it and showing like any games that I make. And if you can see it, I'll highlight this. So wait. So all you have to type in is scratch.mit.edu, and yeah. Why am I clicking? That's right. Okay, so, okay, it's kind of blurry, yeah. But, so, today, I'll be kind of showing you what Scratch is all about, and, yeah, basically that. Though this word isn't very good. Yeah, okay. Um, so, let's get straight into this. Okay, before we, what am I saying? So, right here you see a cat. Well, we can give that cat commands, like when flag clicked, and that's the flag, we'll make him move forward 10 steps. So when you press the flag, he'll move forward 10 steps. Simple enough, but apparently you can make amazing things on this. Like, just save this. Wait, gotta name it. Okay, it's saved, yep. Like, oh, did that lag? Get lag, but whatever. Okay, so let's look for a really good one. This looks good. But it might take a while to load. I don't know. Do not know. Okay. Oh, this is for WASD. Oh, this is easy. See? Look at the amazing things that people are making. I mean, this is insane. Seriously, how do people make this? And I fell off. And there. So, this is cool. Ooh, this is very neat. I'm just going to stop it. So there should be over here. Okay, here it is. And if you saw it, um, if you saw it, it showed all the other projects I made. I'm making one right now called Fingerbeat. It's about like those arcade dancing games where you like press buttons with your feet. Okay. Yeah, okay. So like right now we could just keep repeatedly tapping this and making him move forward. But I'm gonna move him back. we could, and as you can see, you can just move everything around. And like, that's trash basically. And so, I will, okay, here. Instead of doing this, I'll do this, which means when space key pressed, move 10 steps. So, when I press the space key, it moves forward. And you can't see me pressing the space key, obviously, but yeah. And then, we can change it to right arrow. And then, if you want to make it really cool, I mean, right now you can only move in one direction. And now you can't move because there's a barrier in the way, which is this. Can't go past it. Oh yeah, whoops, I forgot. Right there. Actually, he could keep going, but until he reaches a certain point. Now I can make it so that when I do the left arrow, he can move negative 10 steps. So when I do this, he goes this way. When I do this, he goes that way. Right, see? You can just move him around. But if we wanted to get him even fancier, we can make him go up and down, but we're not going to do that right now. Because today we're just going to, I was just showing you a quick preview of it. Oh, also we can like make it repeat stuff, so press that, it would repeat that many times. So that'd be cool. Like if you were making a game when there's certain space tiles, I don't know, not know at all. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to wrap this up. But if you want me to make more videos on Scratch, leave some likes. Like, if this video gets 20 likes, then if this video gets 20 likes, I will make more videos with Scratch. Okay, that's it right now. So